Hi all, welcome back. We have already learned the method of Nicola multiplication, isn't that? If you don't, just go through it. I'll give the link in the iCard above. Today, we can extend the same rule to some other numbers. To master all these amazing tricks, be with me till the end of the video. So, let's start. We use the Nicola multiplication method to multiply the numbers which are very close to base. Consider this question, 49 times 49. When we look at this question, we really wish whether the base could be 50. Isn't that? Hey, look at that, a shooting star. And our wish is granted. So, we are now going to take the base as 50. Here, this is a 2-digit number. So, usually we take the base as 100. Okay? Now, this 49 is far away from 100. We take another base which is called working base, which we take as 50. So, our normal base is 100 and our working base is 50 because this 49 is very close to 50. The relation between this 100, our base, and 50 is equal to 100 by 2. Just keep this relation in our mind. We are dividing our normal base by 2 to get our working base. Now coming to this one. So working base 50. We use the same method as we done for Nicola multiplication. 49 is 1 less than our base 50. But since the base is 100, we have to write it in 2 digits. So we write 0, 1. Here also 0, 1. Now our answer has 2 parts. On the right hand side we have 1 times 1, which is 1 again. As in the Nicola multiplication, we get the left hand side part as 49 minus 1, which is 48. This is the method we use for Nicola multiplication when we use 100 as the base. But in this case, which is the base? It is 50, which is 100 divided by 2. To get the actual answer, what we have to do is, we just have to divide this left hand side part by 2. 48 divided by 2 is 24 and our answer is 2401. I told you earlier that in Vedic Mathematics, we are having many methods to do a single problem. We can adopt that method which is more easier to us. Here, we are going to do the same problem in another way. It's 49 times 49. As usual, our base is 100. But our working base, we are taking it as 50. In the first case, we took it as 100 divided by 2. But here, what we are going to do is, instead of taking 100 as the base, I'm going to take 10 as the base. And this 50 can be written as 5 times our base 10. Now, as in the earlier case, 49 is 50 minus 1, but our base is 10, so the right hand side has only 1 digit place. Okay? Now, 49 here also minus 1. Now, multiplication part. In the answer on the right hand side, 1 times 1 is 1. 49 minus 1 is 48. Here we got the working base by multiplying the base by 5. So here we have to do the same. 48 times 5, which is 8 5s are 40. Then 4 5 20 plus 4 24, and this one we got the same answer 2401. Consider this question 41 times 41. You might be wondering why I write the same question 3 times. We are going to do the same question in 3 different ways. First method 41, I am taking the base as 100 and the working base as 50, which is equal to 100 by 2. 41 is 50 minus 9, but the base is 100, so we have to write it in 2 digits. I am writing it as 0, 9. Here also 0, 9. Okay. Now 9 times 9, 81. 41 minus 9 is 32. Now here it is 100 divided by 2. So we have to divide this by 2 to get the answer, which is 1681. In the second method, I am taking the base as 10 and working base as 50, which is equal to 10 times 5. Here 50 minus 41 is 9, but since the base is 10, we only have 1 digit there. Here also 9. 9 times 9 is 81. I have only 1 place here, so I write 1 and 8 is carried over to the next place. Now 41 minus 9 is 32. We just have to multiply 32 with 5. 5 2s are 10. 5 3 15 plus 1 16. Now this 8 plus the 0, which I'll be getting as 1681. Same answer. Now the third method. Here also I am taking the base as 10, but the working base as 40, which is equal to 4 times 10. Now 41 is 40 plus 1. Here also 40 plus 1. Now the right hand side is 1. 41 plus 1 is 42. Now to get the correct left hand side, we have to multiply this with 4. 4 2s are 8. 4 4 16. Answer is 1681. Isn't that interesting? Now consider this question 249 times 245. Here base is 1000 and working base is 250, which is equal to 1000 divided by 4. 249 is 250 minus 1. Since it is having 3 zeros, we have to write it in 3 digits. Here also, complement from 250 is 5. So we write 005. Now coming to the right hand side part, 1 times 5 is 5. So here we write 005. 249 minus 5 is 244. Now to get the correct left hand side part, we just have to divide it by 4. So by 4. 6 4s 24. Then 4 times 1 is 4. So 244 divided by 4 is 61 and the answer is 61005. This question, this is having a twist. As usual, our working base is 250, which is 1000 by 4. 249 is 1 less than 250. So we write 0, 0, 1. 246 is 4 less than 250. So we write just 0, 0, 4. Now the right hand side part, 1 times 4 is 4. 249 minus 4 is 245. Now we have to divide this part by 4. So by 4. 24 divided by 4 is 6. Now in 5 we have 4 1 times. So just write that 1, and again 1 is a reminder. So that 1 out of 4. 245 divided by 4 is 61. 1 by 4. We have to add this 1 by 4 to the right hand side. When we take a 1 from left hand side to the right hand side, it is actually 1000, isn't that? So this 1 by 4 will be 1000 divided by 4, which is 250. So when we add 1 by 4 here, actually what we are adding is 250. So the answer will be 6, 1, then 250 plus 4 is 254. If you multiply your happiness, it will result in grateful lives. With this valuable life lesson, let us wind up for today. Till we meet the next time. Bye-bye. Take care.